Welcome. Today I'll show you a cool trick to make your Wi-Fi stronger using a wireless repeater. Think of it like a Wi-Fi helper that passes the internet to faraway rooms. The cool part? When you turn it on, it has no password, so connecting is easy peasy. The device even tells you its Wi-Fi name and address right on the body. No guessing, no stress. Let's set it up together. No cables needed. First, plug in the repeater and wait until the green light turns on. That means it's ready. Now grab your phone or computer. Open Wi-Fi settings and look for a network called repeater. Tap it. No password needed. Boom, you're in. Your device will automatically open a setup page. On that page, choose repeater mode so it can copy Wi-Fi from your main router. The repeater will search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find your home Wi-Fi, tap it, and type in your main Wi-Fi password. Wait a moment. When the third green light turns on, that means success. The repeater and router are now best friends. Last step. Connect your phone to the repeater's Wi-Fi and check the internet. It uses the same password as your main Wi-Fi, so it's easy to remember. That's it. Your Wi-Fi is now stronger, faster, and reaches more places. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and enjoy smooth internet everywhere. Happy surfing!